Okay. All right. Let's go through the list and let me show you. So please read the name one by one.
Cerebrum.
Okay. The whole thing is cerebrum. Okay. So it is asking for name the entire structure, the whole structure, cerebrum.
Longitudinal species.
Right here.
Is it gyri?
Plural, gyrus.
Gyrus.
All this elevation.
Okay.
The
Sulcus. All the depression, the grooves.
Okay.
Okay.
parietal lobe. Is that on both sides?
Yeah.
Okay.
Obviously, everything right and left is the same. Okay.
Temporal lobe.
Temporal lobe.
Okay.
Occipital. The frontal
The whole structure is your cerebellum.
Okay.
Cerebrum and cerebellum. Okay, I get those.
the lateral hemisphere.
You have right and left hemisphere and something else in the middle separated by these two lines. So within each one you have the medial and lateral
Okay.
hemisphere. Okay. Vermis, you see these worms?
Mm-hmm.
Middle portion.
Superior colliculi.
Okay, so these are your superior and inferior colliculi. If the pin is on this, that's right superior colliculus, left superior colliculus, right inferior, left inferior colliculus.
Okay.
Pineal gland.
Pineal gland is in the midbrain, so we have to see in this view. This is the pineal gland. It's already damaged. It's behind the thalamus. But if you see here, you can see it will move like a little round. Can you see openness?
Yes, I can see it.
So the pin will be on that. So there are only two glands in the brain. Name the gland, pineal gland. Down here will be the pituitary gland.
Okay.
You would show it from this angle, the
Yeah.
pituitary gland? Because it's a big bone.
Yeah. Next.
We did the superior colliculi.
Right. Inferior colliculi, pineal gland. Olfactory bulbs are here. Here, 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 here.
Is that the behind the occipital lobe?
No, it's below the frontal.
The frontal lobe.
There is no this in the front. Okay, 17. No, 16.
Olfactory tract.
Tract is like the path of the nerve, so this is all your olfactory nerve. The structures belong to the olfactory nerve, so the path is the tract. Path of the nerve. PATH path. This bulging structure, the bulb, that's your olfactory bulb. Optic chiasma. Chi. Yeah, this is your optic chiasma. The
Is that the X?
Just the
Yeah, X means the middle of the X, not the whole X.
Okay.
Right in the middle. See?
Okay. And which one is that?
Optic chiasma.
Okay.
17.
Okay.
And if you're looking at it from in here, can you see it from here? This right here, right?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Okay.
So the optic nerves make the crossover of the optic chiasma. This is your optic tract, like olfactory tract, optic tract,
Okay.
path of the nerve.
But in the middle is the optic chiasma. Okay.
Infundibulum, mammillary body. This is your infundibulum. Yeah, actually it's not the whole. The pituitary gland is here like my hand. It's hanging. You do it this way.
Okay.
So the stalk is the infundibulum, but it breaks off. So they refer to the attachment point as infundibulum, the whole. So practically you can think of the whole. Yeah.
It's really that.
But if it's if it's uncovered,
Yeah.
then it's the whole.
So this is your mammillary body.
That's below the hole.
Pons. Next.
Okay.
Medulla oblongata. Okay.
Spinal cord is at the tip.
Spinal cord is at the tip. If you see in the cross section, you can tell where the spinal cord starts. See? That's the central canal of the spinal cord. You have CSF in that. Next. Yeah, corpus callosum, you see this big C?
It's not the space, right?
No, above the space. That's your corpus callosum, like a headset.
That's what we were just talking about, right? Okay. So it's the C.
Lateral ventricle is the space, the cavity, lateral ventricle. You have one on the right, one on the left. Both are separated by a membrane, which we call the next one, septum pellucidum. So where is that membrane? If you see here, you see the complete cavity, here you don't see, right?
Right.
Because the membrane covers that.
That's what
Here also you don't see because septum pellucidum covers that.
This one is without a membrane.
Fourth ventricle is that one.
The V one.
Sorry, that's lateral ventricle. Fourth ventricle is down here. You have three ventricles, four ventricles, three types. There are two lateral ventricles on the right and left half of the brain, and this is your third ventricle. See where I'm passing the pin?
Which one is the V one that you said was the second?
And then it goes through the cerebral aqueduct here, and then goes to see this V-shaped cut. That's your fourth ventricle.
Oh, the V one is the fourth ventricle.
Yeah, right here. That's your cerebral aqueduct.
It starts at the lateral and then it comes down to the
Yeah, so basically your cerebrospinal fluid forms here, it fills the lateral ventricle, it gets out through some tiny hole here to the third ventricle, goes around, gets into the cerebral aqueduct and comes to the fourth ventricle and then gets out to the subarachnoid space. Below the yeah, it reabsorbs somewhere on the top of the brain.
And what is the arbor head?
The tree-like, the tree-like structure.
So, okay, we already went over the cerebral aqueduct. Thalamus.
Thalamus is here.
It's in the middle. And the hypo is right underneath it.
Just right below hypothalamus.
The dura mater.
This membrane. See? This is dura mater. Arachnoid mater is the inside layer.
The inner layer?
No, this is outside.
It's a dura.
This is dura mater. Arachnoid mater is on the inside, and the pia mater is the brain itself.
So that has all three layers?
Yeah, this has two layers, and then this is your pia mater. Sometimes the second layer is attached to this, or if you can like put a pin and see, you can see. Yeah, that's your arachnoid matter.
And the brain itself is just
yeah, pia matter. So PAD, inside to the outside, pad.
Okay. And the pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland is this one. Okay. So if you see the pituitary gland, name the gland in this view. If you don't see the hole, that's your pituitary gland. Okay. Let's go over here. Look at the human brain. Everything is same, only the shape and size are different for the most part. So you see all the structures, between this and that. And in this, you can even see the pituitary gland attached.
Oh, okay.
The hypothalamus with the infundibulum. It's a hollow tube, so when it breaks up, you see the hole. Okay. And this is your dura mater. But the dura mater, when it comes in the middle, in the longitudinal fissure, the number 50, we call it fox cerebri.
Okay.
So if it's here, dura mater, it's here, fox cerebri.
Okay.
On the sheep brain, we cannot do the fox cerebri. We just for the pin through the membrane for the Durham error.
So we're gonna use both?
Yeah, you need to go through the list to see what all we will have for the test. Okay. And some of them are labeled with the numbers that go with the key, and this is the key for the human brain, and you have them in the website. Okay, you can print. When you study, you can print these two sheets, and you can go through the images. Okay?
And the spinal cord too, we'll need to know.
Yeah, we need to do that.
Okay.
Anybody still? Yeah, questions? I'm coming. But you guys all get.
Man.